got something to say. If you don't wanna hear, then get out of my way. You might find this kinda hard to believe, but this child is yours that I'm about to conceive. No, I don't want your money or your diamond rings, 'cause this is not the time to be playing these games. Don't think that I'm doing you wrong.